Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to change product title color in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to scroll down, going to open a product. For example, going to open this one, and here is the product title, and we wanted to change this product title color in product page. Okay, to do this, first of all we have to log in our Shopify store admin panel. So I'm going to my Shopify store admin panel. Here is the Shopify store admin panel. Then click online store, click on this three dot icon, edit code, and now search base, then open base.css file, click on this file and scroll down and paste a code. You'll get this code snippet in the video description, so check the video description. Okay, then click on the save. Asset save, go to our product page, reload. Wow, the product title color has been changed in the product page. Now the question is that how you can use different color. Okay, to do this, open a new tab, type color picker, press enter, and now select the color that you want to use on your product page title. So we are going to select this one. Simply click on here, go back your Shopify admin panel and refresh this code. Looks very carefully, then click on the save, asset save. Now going to reload. Wow, so I hope you understand how to change the product title color in product page in your Shopify online store. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye.